Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Juan Pablo from 100% Finance at 100%finance.com. Mr. Cashflow, Mr. Passive Income, the People's Mentor. I got what you need to succeed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate your viewership. Topic of discussion for today: credit repair is only the beginning. Alright? I'm going to use myself as an example. I initially had the desire to become a real estate investor. I had no money, I had no knowledge, and I had bad credit. No credit whatsoever. And while I wouldn't say no credit, I did have credit, but it was bad. I defaulted on a lot of my accounts, especially credit card accounts, simply because I had a choice: pay rent while I was in college or pay my credit card. And the limited funds I had, of course, I decided to pay my rent. So my credit cards and any other debt that I owed suffered as a result. So the first thing I did to embark on this quest to become a full-time real estate investor, which I am now, I have 63 units in my portfolio with a 9-unit under contract currently as of September 2017. And I'm an online entrepreneur, right? So with my burning desire to become the person that I am today, I realized that credit repair was the beginning. I had to fix my credit. Why? I offer business credit. So if you're interested in business funding, business loans, business financing, we can help you get qualified. All you have to do is just click the link below to apply, right? So in order to get business funding, many lenders, aka creditors, aka banks, they want to look at your personal credit. I understand what you're thinking, right? Well, I don't want banks to look at my personal credit. I think they should be mutually exclusive. In a perfect world, well, guess what? We don't live in a perfect world. Right? We don't. And if you're getting started in real estate investing or business with no proven track record, no 80 paydebt score for Dun & Bradstreet, your business is not in compliance, you don't have any bank statements or any verifiable income, full documentation, in other words, for your business, no tax returns for your business, none of that stuff, and you don't want banks to look at your personal credit, why on earth would a bank want to extend financing to you? Just think about it. Imagine some stranger came to you and said, hey, I have a business idea, but I have no experience, I have no proof backing up the claim that I'm a great business person, plus I don't want to show you anything about my borrowing habits, hence your credit, right? It's just your reputation as a borrower. Credit is synonymous with credibility, which is also synonymous with reputation. Your FICO score is a numerical representation of your reputation. It's that simple. So would you, in those circumstances, lend money to someone who walked in your door, if you was a lender, and they had no proven track record and no FICO score to show you? More than likely you wouldn't do it. Even if they had a great idea, you would still have a slight reservations towards extending financing to that person off that strength, right? So I realized, okay, well, if I don't have the proven track record yet to be able to go to any lending institution and request financing for real estate investing, the first thing I need to do is improve my FICO score so I can improve my reputation as a borrower. And that's what I did. I fixed my credit to the point I was able to qualify for mortgages, FHA to begin with. I bought a 2-family. That was my first property in March 2010 in Jersey City, New Jersey. Shout out to New Jersey and New York. I love those cities. Right now I reside in Atlanta. That's besides the point. Right now I'm in San Francisco. That's besides the point. But I'm just in San Francisco now, just relaxing, having a good time, working remotely. I'm a full-time entrepreneur, so I live in Atlanta. And I'm thinking, well, just because I live in Atlanta doesn't mean I have to stay in Atlanta. I can go to San Francisco, a city in which I don't know a single soul in here, and just meet and greet new people, reach out to the other fans of the 100% Finance community, and work remotely. Just have a change in scenery. And that's the beauty of what passive income could provide you. Income that you receive on a consistent basis with little to no work required. And when you do work, you're not strapped to a desk, to a cubicle, to an office. This is my office, right? But I just came in, just touring the city. Got a bite to eat, something to drink, and just enjoying life, right? All right, so back to what I was saying. But back in my New Jersey days, when I was hustling and bustling, trying to pursue financial freedom, that's the first step I took, repairing my credit. And that's the first step that I urge you. Credit is just the beginning. So you might have came across this video, and you might have just been searching online on YouTube just about how to fix your credit. That's great. I applaud you for taking the first steps. But I want to let you know this, my friend. That's not the end all be all. What's the point of getting your credit repaired just so you can use it for personal reasons? Such as you get to qualify for a car note, you get to qualify for your personal mortgage, FHA, like I did with my first property, where I lived in one unit, rent out the others. But what's next? You're still not maximizing your potential. And this is why I always preach passive income through real estate investing. As you can see right now as a living testament, because I have passive income through my real estate investments, I'm able to travel anywhere. I'm able to discover and fulfill my purpose to you today via this video, right? If I was strapped to a cubicle, strapped to a desk, to an office, having a supervisor breathing down my neck, I won't be able to find the time to travel, learn from different people, read various books, as well as produce content for your viewing pleasure. Content that could potentially change your mindset to the point that you can become financially free. And you can, despite how you start. I didn't start off with a silver spoon in my mouth. No one gave me money. No family member has ever lent me a dime. No one just say, hey, here's some capital to try investing. No. I had to reprove, that's what I was about to say, but I caught myself. I had to improve, aka repair my credit so that banks will lend to me because my family and friends would not or could not. And I don't blame them. You know, they're not in the past, they were not in a financial position to provide me with a loan for my business goals. And you might be in the same situation. You might not have a peer group, a support group, or you might not have anyone in your circle who understands business, entrepreneurship, real estate investing, financing, or might not have the capital. Join the club. None of my friends who are successful has had a silver spoon. They didn't have it easy. The one thing they did have, the common thread amongst all of us, we had that burning desire. And we had a firm understanding that credit repair was only the beginning. So let me get back to what I was saying and not going off on a tangent, okay? But thanks for sticking with me. When you understand that mindset that credit repair is just the beginning, and you pursue passive income, let's say it's through real estate. You can choose any vehicle you want. I chose real estate. Why? Because of leverage. Try going into a bank and say, hey, let me get 80% of the money for this Forex trading or stocks or bonds. They might be able to, but most likely they won't. They won't be able to extend you the financing. But for real estate, many banks will give you 80% of the financing. What's the website? 100% finance. So we teach you how to get 100% of it, not just 80. Sure, 80 may come from the bank, but the other 20, business credit, can come through other means. Okay, but just make sure you subscribe. Check the link below to learn more. But once you get passive income, okay, let me backtrack. Once you get your credit fixed, and once you start leveraging your credit to get passive income, and you quit your 9 to 5, you now have the time to reflect, like in this hotel room, right? Of, hey, well, what do I want to do? What am I passionate about? What makes me happy? What value, what God-given gifts do I have within me that I can contribute to society? Passive income allows you to do some soul searching. And then once you find your purpose, your mission in life, then you can provide it. And if you're smart, very smart, right? You can turn that passion into a profit. You can turn that mission of yours into a money-making opportunity. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong. Now, you might be that person who says, well, I just want to give back. I want to be a philanthropist. I want to be able to help kids. I want to be able to help those who are less fortunate. And unfortunately for me, with my passion, my purpose, I'm not able to monetize it or turn into a business, Juan Pablo. That's cool. But at least if you have enough passive income from your real estate investments, it doesn't matter. Why? Because your real estate is paying your bills. And even if your purpose isn't paying your bills, it doesn't matter because your real estate is paying your bills. I had to say that twice to drilling in. Passive income can provide you with freedom. Freedom for the greater good of humanity. It's not just for you, selfish reasons, so you can just wake up whenever you feel like. That's my claim, right? Wake up whenever you feel like a money. It's not just so you can be on a beach chair sipping a pina colada or in a hotel room sipping on some tea, right? It's not just for your own selfish reasons. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm selfish too. I like to enjoy the fruits of my labor. There's nothing wrong with that. If I work hard, I gotta play hard, right? But it's beyond that. On a macro level, you have to better serve humanity, your fellow man. So I want to urge you, credit your FICO score. It's only beginning. Now it's time to get into business. Now it's time to start your own business. If you need help, check the links below. I'm here for you. So as always, my friend, this is to your success. I'm Juan Pablo. Continue to earn passively and live passionately. And watch the other videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below. If you found value, please share, like, and don't just be a viewer, be a doer. You're like, alright, bro, when you gonna end this video? Alright, I'm out. Peace.